Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video today. And today I will be doing a rally race on Forza Horizon 4. I haven't played this game in a while. I've been playing Mafia quite a lot. So I just thought I'd play this game again. So this is almost like Dirt Rally. So we need to race to the destination. We got 3 minutes and 30 seconds to do it. As you know, we are driving up Glenfinnan, a nice country town of Scotland. It's out in the country, not even a town. It's a very peaceful place to live. I'd be happy to live there if I lived in Scotland. You know, it's always nice, peaceful in the country, nice grass and all of that. Right, we're going up, and we're nearly there. And there we go, we made it. Right, we'll get all of our awards. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next video with more videos to come. Bye everyone. Pleasure as always. Thank you kindly.